IMT, what's reality technology, clutchless manual as Hyundai says, with the conveyance of an automatic. We are here today to give you a first test drive, and we are also braving the race to shoot a small intro for you. Do stay tuned and do watch out for what's coming next. Before we get started, do subscribe to our Auto Goa channel on YouTube and hit the bell icon as well. We are driving the Hyundai Venue IMT today. It's an all new technology and we are here to see how it fares out in real. First thing first, what's IMT? It's an intelligent manual gearbox that works just how you shift other manual gearbox in a car, but like an auto without the clutch. So as you see, I'm shifting the gears now in manual and it's almost a seamless experience. You don't need the clutch, so you're just shifting the gears with your hand and it moves because there are sensors on the gearbox. So how does the IMT fare on roads? It's smooth, it's slick, it's much faster than when you shift with a clutch because there is no clutch changing happening. So most of the customers sometimes they release the clutch a bit too fast, so you get jerks. When you're in the IMT, it's seamless. It's a smooth system of the car is doing it for you. So what are the few questions you have for IMT? What if you stop in fourth gear? Does the car stall? No. Can you take off? Not either. Put it back in first. The car begins to slick forward. Again, smooth without a problem. So what do we understand by this? You can come into a halt, but like most of our cars, if you had a lower power car, of course, the car would never take off. It would hesitate and either would stall the engine and the car would shut down. So what happens when the Venue IMT comes to a halt on the slope? Does the car begin to roll back? Well, it does roll a little. However, we do know that the regular Venue does have hill hole assist, and that translates to the IMT as well. Hence, we do know that the Venue IMT has hill hole assist and it won't roll so enthusiastically. You see now, I'm on 6th gear and you can cruise. The power is almost the same. Takes a slight 1 or 2% delay in shifting, delay in the power coming, but that's not really a worry because cars are real. You have the fun of a manual. And even if you come for in 5th to 4th, say, if you wanted overtaking power, here you can see I've reached to about 2,500 RPM. The power is just keeping on coming and it's fast, smooth as we said, and very very slick. The rest of the drive is almost the same. The suspension is the same, the brakes are the same. However, are there any changes on the Venue or are they? In terms of engine options, you get a 1 liter turbo GDI petrol engine or a 1.5 liter diesel engine to choose from. Hyundai has also introduced a new sport trim for the Venue that comes with a dark grey paint job and several hot red inserts all over the car. All black front grille with red inserts that's a big step away from the earlier chrome front. While you also get red insert for the brake calipers on the 195/65 R15 alloy wheel. Red insert above the wheel arc as well. You also get a red insert on the roof rails that make it look sporty as well. You also get a sport badge on the side of the car. While on the inside, the sport trim continues. You get an all black interior with subtle chrome inserts. However, what's unique here are red inserts all over the cabin. You got red inserts for the AC vent control knob. You get red inserts for the climate control knobs as well. The butterfly effect steering wheel has been lifted off the clutter and gets black and red contrast stitching as well. While you get new dark grey seat covers with red contrast stitching. Talking about the pricing, the base variant comes in at Rs 9.99 for the 1 liter turbo SX, and it goes all the way up to 11,52,000 for the 1.5 liter SXO dual tone sport. So there it was for you. All the questions answered about the IMT. What do we know? As we said, it's the same manual gearbox as every other car. You can shift gears without a clutch. Only thing is the absence of a clutch, so your left leg is free. The gearbox are similar, smooth, quick, and doesn't cost much of a hassle. All your questions are answered in our video. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope you had enjoyed a quick look. We had limited time, so we couldn't do a full road test. And do stay safe in this pandemic time. Subscribe to our channel and happy motoring. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon and stay notified, and always share our content with your other friends and family as well.